Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about three important topics in software testing. What is defect, defect reporting and defect management. Let's see. First point is what is defect. A defect is a mismatch between the expected and actual result in an application or software. Let's see real-time example of login functionality. When user enter valid credential but getting username or password invalid, then that's a defect. Defect is also called as a bug. Coming to next point is a defect reporting. When we find a defect, we need to report in a structured format to developer can understand, reproduce and fix it. In simple words, defect reporting means describing what is wrong, where it is happening and how it is to reproduce. There are two ways to report defects. First is a bug tracking tool like a Jira or Bugzilla or using Excel sheets. Uh, in this video, we are going to see how to raise bug using Excel sheet. There are some common columns in defect reports like a defect ID, title, module, environments, precondition, step to reproduce, expected result, actual result, severity, priority, status, reported by, assignee to, date open, date close, remarks. These are the common columns in the defect reports. Uh, let's see the real-time example of defect report. Uh, in this Excel sheet, I have created the one defect. First is the defect ID is 1. Then title of defect is login fails with valid credentials. The module is login functionality. Environments like a QA, development, production, pre-production, or UAT. You can enter the build version here. The next is a precondition like a user account exit with a valid username and valid password credentials. Then next is a state to reproduce. Here you can write the navigate to the login page, enter a valid username and password, and click on the login. Then next is a expected result. The expected result is user should be redirected to the dashboard when entering the valid credentials. But here when user enter the valid credential and getting the error, this is a bug. The the severity of bug is high uh, and the priority of bug is critical. Status is open, reported by means tester name, assigned to means developer name, date open, date close, and here is a remark. In remarks you can add the screenshot or logs. Yeah. Then next is third point is defect management. Defect management is a process of tracking a defect from discovery to closure. Defect reporting, defect tracking, and status tracking is a part of defect management. Let's see the life cycle of defect. First is a new, second is a assign, third is a in progress, fourth is a fixed, fifth is a retest, sixth is a close. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.